Hello and welcome to the final part of this episode. Before I begin to guide you through positive affirmations, it is important to know that you will get better results if you start mindfulness exercises before going to bed, because you are less distracted and the last things you deliver to your subconscious mind before sleeping have the greatest reception by your mind. So, if you feel ready, relaxed, and have already watched parts 1 and 2, as well as the 7-step meditation video, Self-Awareness and Emotional Intelligence, How to Do Visualization Meditation in 7 Easy Steps on our channel, you can begin your meditation by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Focus and listen to the sound of your breath, both inhaling and exhaling. This helps you to empty your mind from other thoughts and noises. Do as many times as needed until you feel you are ready. Now, instead of focusing on a mantra like a candle or flower as we usually do in meditation, imagine yourself as the point of focus in the universe. Imagine the energy from the universe flowing through your body. Don't rush, and don't make any judgments. Feel the present moment and imagine the universal energy showering and covering your entire body, starting from your head flowing down to your shoulders and your hands, your lungs and stomach, and all the way down to your feet. Imagine a green halo, completely encircling you, and feel the warmth and vibration of this energy permeating your entire body. You can continue deep breathing slowly to gain more focus, and then reimagine the halo around you. Now, I begin the affirmations by repeating each one twice. Rather than verbally repeating them after me, simply visualize each word in your mind as you hear them. So, relax, listen, and repeat in your mind. I am in perfect health. I am in perfect health. Every cell in my body is healthy and vibrant. Every cell in my body is healthy and vibrant. I am mentally and emotionally balanced. I am mentally and emotionally balanced. I am in harmony with nature. I am in harmony with nature. My life is full of love, energy, and abundance. My life is full of love, energy, and abundance. I am resilient, persistent, and successful. I am resilient, persistent, and successful. My heart is open to the endless possibilities that the universe offers. My heart is open to the endless possibilities that the universe offers. I welcome all of life's challenges because they help me grow. I welcome all of life's challenges because they help me grow. All the beneficial things that I desire flow to me easily. All the beneficial things that I desire flow to me easily. I am open to receiving all the blessings that the universe offers me. I am open to receiving all the blessings that the universe offers me. I achieve my goals with ease and grace. I achieve my goals with ease and grace. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. In my life, abundance flows effortlessly. In my life, abundance flows effortlessly. I deserve financial success and embrace it fully. I deserve financial success and embrace it fully. Money comes to me easily and frequently. Money comes to me easily and frequently. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. My actions create constant prosperity and abundance. My actions create constant prosperity and abundance. Opportunities that provide financial independence draw me in. Opportunities that provide financial independence draw me in. I resonate with the energy of wealth and abundance. I resonate with the energy of wealth and abundance. Every day, in every way, I am becoming richer and richer. Every day, in every way, I am becoming richer and richer. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I am joyful because of all the abundance that I see around me. I am joyful because of all the abundance that I see around me. I appreciate every opportunity that the universe offers me. I appreciate every opportunity that the universe offers me. I am grateful for the opportunities and experiences of the past, present, and the future. I am grateful for the opportunities and experiences of the past, present, and the future. Now, continue with a few deeper breaths, then slowly open your eyes. In this last part, I walked you through the session to demonstrate how to start and end a positive affirmation meditation that involves visualization. For your daily practice, a version of this video without side talks and affirmations only will be available from the link at the end of this video. Here is my recommendation for a more effective and personalized meditation. Take a few minutes to reflect on your goals, wishes, and everything you want to manifest for yourself. Next, carefully choose the wording that aligns with your goals based on what you've learned in these video series. The final step is to allocate time, be persistent, and do it for 21 nights to see the results. You may find it difficult to focus and empty your mind at first, but you gradually progress. Keep in mind that persistency is the key to success in any endeavor. Nothing happens overnight. If you need to learn deeper about the laws of mind and the connection between mind and reality, you can download How to Rewire Your Subconscious Mind for Success in 21 Nights by Max Adams, which will definitely change your life. You can find the download link in the description. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I will respond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and recommend us to your family and friends, as our goal is to help everyone achieve success by learning manifestation techniques. Thanks for your support.